I series Mima Ovidia Aquaba. Had yet latest and hot news in Kwa enemy Bremo. Anuti, so we are subscriber ya or more than say over subscribe to their channel. Your bayan is over click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification where sa new video be uploaded when the first person I was can ASR video I feel yeah. Now what like the video no give us a thumbs up now feel share my Ato Forson when you be here na who and sama ekoso e wo Ghana memham afi ye hwe ye ensema abeto ye proso yiti ayes ankomo ya ekoso yiti ensemu.
You did not caution these people. You people refused to advise them. You people sat on Peace FM and Amode Munkwasia tribe a defending Kwasiasem. That is why we are here. That is why today we are here. Don't fucking blame the 8th parliament. Blame your stupid tribal party. That is led by a fool like Afenyo Markins who cannot reason beyond baby Ojinano. You are the problem in Ghana. Openye jekum no likes no Akufo Addo classmate for no 1944 1943 mo sa abenfo we mo na ma say Ghana dia na moje e dia na moje a mo hye ebechi ese kuro no now ne anti kuro ma listen mo enche mo bewu o se boy adwene kire mo na mo gu nkwase wuo na e ho toye because mo say mo pese mo be ka no kre my coquet na parliament. The minority leader Harry Nedrusu wanted to raise an objection. So no, it's a message. Everybody go. A Siama can cross carpet. Akufo Addo campaign yachichidi we jina nipem ka say cannot work with an independent candidate. Chairman want to me odwan we was say Asante Bediatuo and otumfo ennom insu a eni duku de se bonsamu jemunsu no. Kwasi no koti 1992 constitution. John Boydu, the general secretary of the party, koti 1992 constitution, article 97. Esa koti party constitution. Napoa John Kuma wu ya emane board dam napo kwa kebi and more multi radio so can say the 8th parliament is a joke. You are fucking jokes. Mona mase Ghana. Mo ye nipa bone for. You are selective about what you have to talk about. Say NPP a obi abodam NDC dia yendin tafo nya wona fo natam wo mo de mo nya Ghana for krobo for de o mo de mo jimi ye na enim etum yene yese mrechie inti ye. This is the nonsense we've been dealing with for years. This is the nonsense. Now yet to kromha Emma NPP for say on my press conference. Now our press conference no almost some person more activity imra and the clauses be Emma Alban Bagbin be parliament. Listen. Yanti kromha and NPP for catch the Ghana for you say we are going to fight galamsey. Now NPP for your press conference ebeka bro for tin say omo reason tia and omo fresh Alban Bagbin embrana ombe be parliament in the first place. Now parliament was active, it was open, it was working. Who stopped parliament from working? It is the same NPP. And this guy say wo openye jikum woni sa kwamna danka mo ne sankofo no mo nyame be kumo mo kan okre. A tribal politics na multi TV so yet to parliament and Afenyo Markins echo Supreme Court. Afenyo Markins echo Supreme Court and ose wakonya ruling say adebia echo so parliament bia Speaker Alban Bagbin eye ruling bia o bia ruling no engineer manenko na okoye saade ni wie no and Alban Bagbin say parliament lawyers air fighters are there now in the Supreme Court no wo openye jukum unim say embrane kire say Afenyo Markins cross obeko court and konko high court unim say watra high court ako Supreme Court wo openye jukum unim say chief justice no what she did by using less than 10 hours to constitute a committee filled with Akufo Addo appointees no it is wrong wo openye jukum unim oto atwentwem unim Afenyo Markins go to the Supreme Court Osoro maame wo ho and one man some damning and unnecessary ruling. Now nipa na wo de court so the parliament court no. The lawyers are fighting that enti nipa no wakoti na fie no de na man mra emetra parliament in the first place. Oh ejekum Afenyo Markins enam radios ni TV so a whole NPP press conference it may be o man waka che Ghana for say Alban Bagbin on the NDC for ye juma Alban Bagbin kromfo Alban Bagbin ku Alban Bagbin is a liar who openye de kum san kwasi asemo we ya Afenyo Markins mukanya you did not have a problem because a NPP for Na Alban Bagbin ayewa anka wo panyin jokum wonim tumsa kora anka obega veteran parliament. These people Afenyo Markins ne boss ne Alban Bagbin. Na wakotena radio so kodi nkoma boss ne odi wokukuom. Ukodi nkoma edidu boss asem on kind of kore. Na wo pese boss ne be shop na kwasia wo betena mu be diska. You ana motena se amodwene kakra. Ana de bia mo pese from mpanifo no e na mamu ye mpanifo no. Sa leader of NPP Afenyo Markins on ne dia bedru hanne. Enti nka munya chance na motena TV so a na maka cha Afenyo Markins say de na ope e Supreme Court wo. Na ope na ope so kwotira radio so ekoka se Alban Bagbin aka asma kye no kuku mo beka na bontene mummusa mo MPP na ejimifo aye mu man say press conference na mo ye na mo be di Alban Bagbin atem no na wo penye jekum ka usua de kodu Alban Bagbin level a anka de omo ye ne ka betena parliament. You people don't think. You people are stupid, selfish old men.
Ebusia for etie ni Kevin Tela just watch it chini.
San kokura wo mi dangerous. Me say san kofo we omo na omo gigi Akufo Addo ho ade ne be see so we mu. They knew Akufo Addo was waste product. They knew Akufo Addo did not have a certificate, but because omo ye akamfo asantefo a ye de NPP atwa mo furuma no omo de nkwasia bebe defending nkwasia sem ene ye de abedru hande. Why is the 8th parliament a joke? This is one of the best parliaments we've had in our history. This is one of the best parliament. Senkenya NDC. Anka san kwasiade anka MPP for be no parliament ni gebini. Ankenya NDC anka Japan ke passe ema egudi a 240 so anka kotom obi o UK. Wo de wano senti PSFM ka say the 8th parliament is a joke. Enye 8th parliament we a anka kwasiasema MPPD anka wana be stop yobo. You people should be blunt and honest for once and sana mo de moto kankan na wu. Mon ka no kure. Mon ka no kure nkyere MPP no mon kwasia MPP na tribe ntimu ntumi ka no kure nkyere no. Who is
near the masters na akọ to say
I say okasa I say akom esi so odidi a ne ho ntene no ogina ho a na mu wo school omo de ono use ECG Mahamadu Bawumia betwa soka be nenim sa mutu NDC for Aka Farmer Resource Center
for a job or anything. You are looking at your
cause and not fake news because NPP fosi kanama kwachi munya very careful. Mubo careless. Samu studio no it will burn down. And a mubo careless. Mwankasa so you will not be safe. Kuya muye juma mope yes. NPP for a press conference. I didn't know room. The reason to almost say be a parliament and say almost say a year taxes be any a year tax exemptions tax be almost person the check the pebinity the YMBA parliament and yes be a Ghana for which you almost say the reason why into YMBA parliament and say a environmental protection agency bill 2024 no almost say I will say a passe almost the buy and the Kudientia and the MPP for a press conference and yes say Ghana workers Libya striker or into Omukawu almost say almost be a social protection bill 2023 about to parliament and no ever bo moment this can't pass and it's in the parliament. Almost say customs amendment bill 2024 yam pass it no one to make custom ho enko jisika more. Almost say a budget bill budget no yam pass it ne ku for to me fan nsambo sika nim. Almost say Ghana Boundary Commission Bill 2023 yam pass no mum ko nya sa sika no. Almost say interstate succession law yam pass none dey one wom. Almost say adibia your friend no tax exemption. Tax exemption and say almost over be one district one factory be Ghana. Now some factories in this year job tax almost $300 million. Yen be a parliament no more can ye near $300 million in Chenko for. Pasiafo when you go to Abamomo. Now some Pasiafo and Amoti Peace FM. Who open Ejekum say the 8th parliament is a joke. You are a joke yourself. The reason why into MPP say MBA parliament and then they say almost person tax exemption. Almost say Ghana Financial Stability Fund and International Development Association facility of $250 million United States dollars. They want that money. Almost almost a loan of $250 million into Alban Bagbin. Their problem is not teaching in a kanu. Their problem is not school no to be CB. Their problem is not health regional hospital no CB. Their problem is not a public sector workers are almost strike no, and the oko a year dia Ghana Cardia they are on strike, and the teacher for on strike, and the public services majority are on strike. They don't care. They only care about $250 million loan. Almost $300 million. Adanya almost one factories we know almost tax tax into Gyamfi Alban Bagbin Mbra. Now we are paying now we now we radio so kase the 8th parliament is a joke. It's a joke because your stupid people are doing stupid things and you don't want to say it to their face because tribe adokro eman kwasiade na yemude. Moji si ejimijimi ana. Moji se mobetuma hye enyini echi egechi edi nkwasiasam sa akowu. Mo ka no kura no na ejimichichiri man no because mo hwe nyina achichiri mo bewu ye ne amesoa sa nkwasiade mo yomoye. We are asking, sir, NPP for Jimmy. They don't care about the people. And Omo Buama Afenyo Markins, Eddie Sanko, say, when you know, and you'll be so opinion, you come se fakane, come Nadan Kanasa from TT radio because they are only thinking about the party. They are thinking about what they will get, what their friends in the NPP will get. They are not thinking about the general welfare of the people. Openye je kum no to no ono eye bofro nko a we defeat the kwa be ma fa the team no ene na odwene ho ade na me party ni ko opposition on tia se enkwasiafo na eto abama omo no e wo so mo tena parliament no mo ye dwuma maye omo person ba parliament be ye na ye den na ye ma omu low na nkwasiafo ekodi na wo te radio so e wo to atenchene ka say the 8th parliament is a joke. You are a joke. One can say you there's no good in you. Mona masai kro no ye di matama ye every say muni mu nyansa. Mo party na adokro mo munni munyansa. Who on earth will blame the 8th parliament? Every single thing happening started with the NPP, who walked out of parliament. What has the NDC done? And can you NDC and Akufo Addo no monkwasi NPP come on Ghana? And can you NDC Ghana for yenyaye? Let me tell you, 2020 elections, who open you come politics change will be 2020 elections. 2020 elections. Sehiyeso, Techiman South, Esikado Katen, Tano South, Takwan Swayim, all these constituencies, MPDC winning in your bonipa to Tata Mujini from Winsem. When I say MPP a majority of parliament, who open you come what the politics a chicheme? Kwame Seva kind of son with Jimmy for. Motet woman can cry. MPP does not have majority in parliament. As we speak now, we have a parliament where nobody is majority. So why is the NPP screaming and fooling and making it look like say they are entitled to majority? Now, Yembie Parliament, ni anti kromana NPP for catcher say omo ye demonstration a Ghana for a car say Akufo Addo should come out and declare state of emergency. Oh, galamsey no dear na NPP catcher opeja dikum bra asiafo modi amobetena radio so amunim wiase nyanse nyina yenka manim ena mode azana mo say Ghana bra answer me kosa asem no so no o say chairman sabo to tena radio so dear no kafa eye independent candidate no
private businessman na waye wejuma obi enim so oni NDC for na ehwebom so na obegina so afena be down who say NPP. Now, the Council of Elders all party in Asante in a friendly business of it. Yakifa also NPP. So NPP India, Nanka or more catch and so NPP India. Your mra the party no equal you be. That's a one in the Kujina. There's any from Nadia Abbey. One in the Kujina, one cast automatically way you go party. And the cry, if I see who's so your NPP near na. It's as the one I'm say. No, Paso Begina. And na a ye penny say, ye man a crime and begina. The local who be na or call contacron.
Nina tapes when now, winning Nina. And they are more fuaso, and they are more problem. The 8th parliament is bad. You are just a professor in GU. You don't know anything. You are just a professor in mere chi. Let me tell you, maybe if you be uncut. There are people living around the world. They survive. You are just a professor in mere chi. You don't need too much to learn chi. Chi kasa. Akan kasa. You don't need any extraordinary intelligence to learn chi. You are a mere chi professor. It don't make it look like say most something extraordinary there we have not learned. Sebio nyini na wenyini and says automatically unim nyansa chen obia. This is a national issue we all have to discuss and discuss it with all the honesty. The NPP are purely foolish and some people who don't respect the people of Ghana. They have no principles. You people are elderly who are supposed to tell them that that's not how you govern people. Who says the 8th parliament is a joke? You are a joke. You are just a mere chi teacher. Only me chi teacher, Mr. Fosu. Mr. Fosu, the only no be na unim chi ncheobia. Aye chi keke. Abede. Ge rhete rese. Eno ne yemfa nye adwuma. Obia fa chi nko UK nko nye adwuma nyeda. Entiaya munjai saade na chi keke amuni munti. Chi na ochire unchi engineer na plane betu akọ wiem. Obenya jokume eye chi keke fa ke ene a bom na nya ka eno ana ochire fa be ene e bom na nya be. Wo sheda nya di kakra ka bia ehu bia aponcheni huri fem koto de bodwe san kwase asem bi na ochire enya de bia betra radio so ma ehu say de gara no mo na munim wiase nyansa nyina chi kire nya din fa a fa ba fa a fa ba ababa nedem fa a fa da fa se fa e fa da adidas sheda nya bibia
sankofo we omo na omo gigi Akufo Addo ho ade ne besi yeso we mu. They knew Akufo Addo was waste product. They knew Akufo Addo did not have a certificate, but because omo ye akamfo asantefo a ye de NPP atwa mo fruma no omo de nkwase abebe defending nkwase asem ene ye de abedru hande. Why is the 8th parliament a joke? This is one of the best parliaments we've had in our history. This is one of the best parliament. Okay? Senkenya NDC anka sankwase ade anka NPP for be no parliament ne gebini. Ankenya NDC anke Japan ke passe ema egudi a otufote so anke kotom obi o UK wo de wano shenti peace FM ka say the 8th parliament is a joke. Enye 8th parliament we a anka nkwase asema MPPD anka wan be stop you. You people should be blunt and honest for once and sana mo de moto kankan na wu. Monka no kure nche MPP no monkwase MPP na tribe ntimu ntumi nka no kure nche no. Who is a joke at the parliament today? Nobody is a joke. It is the NPP that is a joke. Because in the parliament, because of who did it, who said it, who created it. It is the NPP that went to court. It is the NPP that decided not to follow parliamentary rules, decided not to respect the speaker. Ghana Hama Afenyo Markins kwasia we didi Alban Bagbin attempt every day. You have not spoken about it. Motiyama MPP as a political party at your press conference ejina nipem akache se Alban Bagbin is doing a coup in parliament and kwasiafo mutu fin motiti Peace FM. You could not say this is wrong because I am MPP niti Ghana and say moa munimu nyansa muna mwase kuru munimu nyansa muye jimifo munyini kwa. You people are foolish. You people are stupid. And can you NDC Sebio Omunya 136 or parliament unim de nkwasiafo ikomeye. If these people had had more seats than NDC unim de nkwasiafo mayor parliament. This is one of the best parliaments we've had. And God being so good, Mamika be binche Ghana for. The NPP lost parliament. We all know. Techiman South, baby uncle Botuo, and the Omo Force of 136. And Okrano, still they needed the Formena seat to come add to theirs for them to say Omo a majority. And you are saying that parliament is a joke. They don't understand governance. So dondology na ocho. We are talking about governance. We are talking about a party in power. We are talking about a party that has its president, the Jubilee House. You cannot sit there and because of old age, classmate ni Akufo Addo. Who Afenyo Agyapong, or classmate ni Akufo Addo, and kwasiade Akufo Addo ye, who to who Afenyo Agyapong, time Akufo Addo be wood, the same time now be, and kwasiade Akufo Addo ye, who to Net2 TV so na mo hihye nkwasia bechi ewedie chia na achia na mbuye otwen ankwa ne wonam kọ nkwasia benunum kankan na mo de radio so na mo de say Ghana. Why na say the 8th parliament is a joke? What makes it a joke? Because MPP pay bibi omon sanka it is a joke. You people are crazy. Mobu bottom. Because MPP pay bibi omon sankanti parliament is a joke. Why na pay bibi and sankanti parliament is a joke? What has the NDC done? In this case, what has the NDC done? Yeti kromha Eman Kwasiafo we at the former MP by Sansebe course we were in this country. Let me show you. Kwasiafo the radio so much say a book a credit amamono more respect near tia. These were comments people made. John Bwedu those times Okotena TV so they're not kind.
The NPP, the party is asking the Member of Parliament for Fomena constituency, Andrew Amankwa Esiama, to with immediate effect abdicate his seat in Parliament. The reason? Well, the party argues the MP automatically relinquished his seat after filing to seek re-election as an independent, citing Article 97 as the basis for the demand. The MP refused to contest in the party's primaries after alleging infractions in the voters' album. Let's listen to the party's General Secretary, John Bwedu.
We've not yet received a response from the Speaker.
What about your member who is in Parliament as your member of Parliament?
We've not heard from him. Initially, this move was initiated by the regional party in Ashanti region. His attention was drawn to Article 39 of our Constitution. That says that a member of the party who stands as an independent candidate against the officially elected member of the party or who joins or declares his or her support for another political party or for an independent candidate when the party has sponsored a candidate in a general or by-election automatically forfeits his or her membership of the party. And his attention was drawn to this part of our constitution. He was invited severally to explain to us and also draw his attention to the fact that if he decides to file against the official candidate of the party, he automatically forfeits his membership. So we are only drawing the attention and notifying the general public that all those who will also follow suit forfeit their membership automatically. I think that it's also clear that within 60 days to election, it will be difficult to, if a member resigns or dies or vacate his position.
This is John Bwedu, not a party general secretary. Timer. Fomena MP no eka so ko independent. Dia no kan already constitution what page the community and now to atwentwem now down to Peace FM. Dia no kan. They read the constitution say Akwano the moment why not you so ko independent no he forfeits his the membership. And yes John Bwedu kan. No page the kum anope bi to Peace FM. Mo de mo selecting sem no de mo pe. Kwasi asem we see no mo ntuma nka say MPP voting kwasi asem. And kwasi asem we see no time for mena MP Akwani before he became MP eka say or NPP member or co independent John Bwedu betina radio so ka say and the Akwani ye free party me say we bu party mraso mo tena peace of kwasi asem na mo kai mo anka bibia mo to so if say mo kwasi MPP no mo anu asem ye de bedi mo atam mo nim nyansa mo na masai Ghana yeti krom ha. This is what kwasi ampe chairman want to me kai.
Okay, FM 101.7.
Yeah, na tell Mami Musa for mena issue Andy who ya day.
Oh, General Secretary Akasa. The CNSA. So MPP constitution. Article 39. One no extra say. So be no. So we can say we independent when you want the free party no more. And the party no wo also be feel afternoon because why you trouble do. Na idea nanu day. Regional executive committee no yanso ye betena ase na yanso so ye share sansemu ana ye de sansemu yanso so yanso ye de baaye. Emini any general secretary so ade aba enti ya PTC Fomena MP no. Samson Alba Ghana Constitution so 1992 Constitution Article 97 1G no. And also particularly said, sir, we were Amayoko bimu na wujina as an independent. I was so vacate seat. And and you know, or your lawyer, so you should know better. It's to be a say, the female day corner, and your parliament is the old rule of you. MPP, and your party, no, and a do parliament. And so we are such a mental show, so we are Right Honorable Deputy Speaker of Parliament, or so, or be a 275 in Yano, and your party, no, then you fear, I am nomination for the Mao. If you know why now, you are nomination for, and your position in Ano, no, you are nomination for. I just said, you be a wee piano. What you say, what my party, no. And the wire Catlaman Yaye, Catlaman Yaye, and to the idea, says, I know Casadia. So I know Coco no Coco fire, yeah. Every party, no, I should say, be a party who said the Bishaya. But I say, I know Casadia. I be a party, no, you're trying to be a free MPP, no, so the General Secretary. Akasa, that's why issue statement, you know. And you also, Anna, party in Nano,
yes, a prime minister, Wanko.
Wanko, so one the Wanko. So one could be a second to me when you want to be loose. So one politics, I have to say, damn it. It's we were mat 20, and I'm missing one mat 20. And the year Pia. It is your Pia piano, so it's really drew and you move far, no one swimming. What's one we are? Let me that damn home. I was saying that damn home, I was you, and I was a me that damn home. So while I'm training you, pa, you talk, Kwakwa. The same said, Andrew, Siamano, one to me, I said, who will you know, Yatina Kwakwa, Yatina Kwakwa. What you say? Yatina Kwakwa. And to the Nadia, obey to me. I will need beer, and never call beer, and never call. I will be you never come from the piano. So the portfolio Asante or no energy now and the MPP or yet there will be Pia at the Bako. I'm a net marine.
Chama better than obey.
Otieno. Where time for mena MP Nikas or co independent. What's the other job? Kwasia will to be quoted Constitution, Article 97. Chairman won't be Kwasia, now you her left. Ne bear mana yentwa ene left, the nine left, no kwasia wetina radio so blanketedly. Et me koti constitution. And then kwasia for we some TB da. John Boy do crampo koti constitution. John Boy do video number. Let me play it again. Let's hear there. They all quoted the same constitution. They quoted their party constitution and they quoted the 1992 constitution to back the reason why Omon Pese Sakwano will enter parliament. Kwasia for we. Let me tell you, I'm sure I'll send my community match or the other videos.
The MPP, the party is asking.
To be difficult to, if a member resigns or dies or vacate his position, as in this case, to have a by-election. So that is clear. The only thing that we want to send across is that you join a party based on your understanding and your agreement of what the constitution of the party is. So you don't renege on that and decide to do things on your own. You also have the national constitution that also is clear that if you are elected to represent a party in parliament, you have no right to either decide to be an independent candidate or join any other party or even cross carpet. And this is clear. We've had several examples of it happening in our fourth Republican constitution and dispensation. I think that we just want to send a clear signal to all that the party is not going to countenance a situation where members of our party.
So that's John Boyd.
John Boyd quoted the 1992 constitution, quoted the NPP constitution. Chairman want to be Kwasia way to be Equity Party constitution. Kwasia chairman want to be Equity Constitution of Ghana. Eddie defended why Sir MP no Isiamana or co independent no, he is not even supposed to enter parliament and call himself an MPP person. And so listen to this. Openye kumitina miye mo kwasi adam de Peace FM no.
2004 MP no had never akwasi Afrifa. 2008 never Abu Bonsa. 2012 never Atabuafu. 2016, dear friend say, yes, dear friend Siama. Mutio, Sadasi obi kodo obi maybe I can need the way. A top one for buy here wedding answer. So giant party that can know the ambassador. It's where I was see. Uber adasi befa adasi for me not for the Kodi MP. Now for me not for so we send us on test ya. Koshepo.
What's it? Kwasia we vice president today. What did you catch there no? I say for me na MP no. On TS on Kwasia and Kwashepo. They don't agree with him going independent. Going independent, you know, they said they did not agree. Na po Kwasia ne when say bomb. Afenyo Openye Jakumu na Peace FM. They saw these things. Omunim say MPP now omwanka say they woman any principles. Openye Jakumu tina me sade we. When him tum set tetepane. Wuntina me sade we. Atro and adobeko wadakem mon kanu kure na motiti Peace FM and modi atro ese Ghana tete Ghana mo MPP na modi bofro nkwan di echire no mon kanya nsanchire mo ntu omofo so mo no say party. The 8th parliament is not a joke. You were disgraced to Benifo we bushia o classmate ni Akufo Addo. Now o classmate no kwase asem o kan ani
Natapa, I'm by 4 more for Nana Baba Yajuma. Nikwa Minchi Kwabena Agyarko. To me, here, member of Asante Bediatuo. One of the 4. Mrs. Arrogance. Until me Kwa. Here, they have been doing to Yako. Independent beer to me, Mohammed. Independent candidate beer to me, Mohammed. We are not no MPP ni our independent and on your MPP ni papa. On your MPP ni papa. O MPP ni papa on your independent. Teacher, Masmasi from Madam Menundi Koboa. One bad. Let's say only a boom mammy. Utumi ni Yajuma. Only pay a boom mammy no minute to me in Yajuma. Misamo Obia Jane Enya no Bako Onipa Metumini na ye Juma Eni Sule Ojame Chen or no na Metumini na ye Juma Misma Juma Pepe so go independent candidate no Chenemra Jubilee House also on ma Nipa say and I'm going to say ye Juma Embaso Yanto Manonda and Tomanitina
Openye Jakum, o classmate ni what in Kwasiadia na otoye. Who problem you with it? Today you have a problem with parliament. That the 8th parliament is a joke. You are a very bad old man. O kanu kure. Wa not tro any be kuwa to atwene se otwen. Mo na ma say Ghana. San kwasi asem we course of parliament. And no pebia na muti radio so you didn't have a problem with that. Even the day Mike Okwe took that decision, Haruna Idrisu, sometime not the leader of the NDC, he wanted to speak. Mike Okwe shutting it down. In Kwasia Forum the TV, so you did not see parliament as a joke. This is Mike Okwe. After he declared himself for Mena MP in Kwasia Semo Parliament, Haruna Idrisu wanted to speak. Mike Okwe kaso manenkasa. You did not see. You people should blame the MPP. Monja sa Jimmy Kasa na radio so because when this is what happened. This is what happened.
Said really prevail. Furthermore, after 7 December 2020, when Parliament is still in session till 7 January 2021, how does an MP both as an elected independent MP and at the same time an NPP MP if he should win the election? This lacuna of a ridiculous situation is not what is anticipated under the 1992 Constitution. In the circumstances, Parliament has determined that the conduct of Honorable Andrew Amwaku Esiama amounts to vacating his seat in Parliament. Accordingly, we bring this to the notice of the Electoral Commission for the necessary action to be taken in accordance with the law. Signed, the Speaker. Honorable members, we shall now suspend sitting and then no, but this is for your information. Honorable members, we shall suspend sitting and move into committee of the whole. Thank you very much.
Haruna Idrisu, as a minority leader, wanted to make a statement. Michael Kwe says, just your information, sit down. Now MPP for it was say, emwa inyaima. Monime tuntum se obi na say kwasiafo and the 8th parliament na say. You did not caution these people. You people refused to advise them. You people sat on Peace FM and amodem Kwasia tribe a defending Kwasiasem. That is why we are here. That is why today we are here. Don't fucking blame the 8th parliament. Blame your stupid tribal party. That is led by a fool like Afenyo Markins who cannot reason beyond baby Ojinano. You are the problem in Ghana. Openye jekum no likes no Akufo Addo classmate for no 1944 1943 19 mo sa abeifo we mo na ma say Ghana de na moje e de na moje a mo hyehyɛ ebechi essay kuro no now ne anti kuro mu a listen mo enche bu bewu o se boy adwene kire mo na mo gu nkwase ewuo ne ho toye because mo say mo pese mo be ka no kore my coquet na parliament. The minority leader Haruna Idrisu wanted to raise an objection. So no, it's a message. Everybody go. A Siama can cross carpet. Akufo Addo campaign ya chichidie we gina nipem ka say cannot work with an independent candidate. Chairman want to me odwan we was say Asante Bediatuo and otumfo ennom insu a eni duku de se bonsam gyamu nsuo no. Kwasi no kwoti 1992 constitution. John Boydu, the general secretary of the party, kwoti 1992 constitution, article 97. Esa kwoti party constitution. NAPO John Kuma wu ya emane board dam NAPO kura kebi emmoa motiti radio so ka say the 8th parliament is a joke. You are fucking jokes. Mo na mo say Ghana. Mo ye nipa bonefo. You are selective about what you have to talk about. Say NPP a obi abodam, NDC dia yendi ntafo nya wonafo natem, wo mo de omo nya Ghana fo, krobofo, de omo de omo jimi. Ye na enim yetum. Ye na yese mrechie. Inti ye. This is the nonsense we've been dealing with for years.
Yo, Tivo, Winnie and Summer about the program. Mikause, this is so and our no. So we are subscribe. We are Omodia say over subscribe and one like it. Nafi was share video. It's answer Hadi latest and hot news. And I'm the bravo. Also, betting otchere what you are fire and some way now. I will comment boxing. Mobeti in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.